Katinka, luk vinduet op. Nu vil jeg spendere en vise.
Det er sin lille basse.
Bussebasse. Big Bussebasse is neck.
And so the Danes probably won't be eating it because it's the summer.
Sort of standing at the gates of hell for a couple of hours to make this. It pays off. Så sødt velsigner du mit hjerte dog. Du danske friske strand, hvor havet står med bjørner og under havet. Der elsker jeg Danmark, mit
I think there's 7
verses or something, but we just do one.
Very nice.
Yeah, I probably didn't hold out this equipment.
Person.
That would just make me more bored, Mom.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Bend your knees and lean back.
Oh, maybe it's just some of the seafood we mashed up.
It would be so funny if Hank
Worked with me.
Screaming out my name.
Nice hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna need something, man, pretty quick.
In the middle of the case.
For you.
Why can't I sing the Danish? Hagebøf!
Dad, no.
Katinka, luk vinduet op. Nu vil jeg spendere en vise. Et foragt, der tegner pigernes krop. Og nu er du lige
I'm smiling. I don't want to be all old and sour.
Og så skal Katinka også til ro. Katinka, luk vinduet op.
No, Stuart.
Min harmonika vise. Katinka, smæk vinduet lige og spar dine små bummelummer. Gør stuen lidt pæn, mens jeg tæller til 10. Og jeg bare gavler kommer. Du går og jeg giver dig min sang, så fejrer vi foråret endnu en gang. Katinka, luk vinduet i, for nu er det søren, der kommer. We couldn't read it at the end, but there's a funny part that says,
It's about the young girl who is expecting to get a friend for the
that was
night.
what we chuckled about because it was sort of
this
which is the Babalam,
a metaphor for farts. No farts.
No,
Shit, farts. Shit,
farts.
Oh well, we'll argue to the camera. Fart shit.